मणिपुर की एकता के लिए समन्वय समिति के संयोजक खुरेजम अथोवा ने कहा, हम जिला के पुलिस अधीक्षक के साथ एक बैठक करने जा रहे हैं और इसके बाद हम संबंधित सरकारी अधिकारियों के साथ भी चर्चा करेंगे ताकि यह सुनिश्चित की जा सके कि सुरक्षा व्यवस्था इस तरीके की जाए कि आतंकियों की गोलियां खेती करने वाले क्षेत्रों तक ना पहुंचे। हमें दोनों पक्षों के किसानों द्वारा अपने अपने खेतों में एक साथ खेती करने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन किसी भी सशस्त्र समूह या व्यक्ति को ऐसे खुले क्षेत्रों में आने की अनुमति नहीं दी जानी चाहिए जहां से वे किसानों को निशाना बना सके।
Actions should be taken up, and there should be certain strict measures from the security arrangement. 2 days back, we had a meeting with the inquiry committee, and the inquiry committee has informed us that the inquiry has already been completed, and the report has been submitted to the governor's office. Now we are waiting for the governor's office to take some, responsible action so that the justice be delivered to the people of the state, and responsible persons be fixed who have disrespect and who has undermined the identity and the pride of the state of Manipur. Our team of Kokomi Farmers Wings have been following the incident since yesterday, and we are closely monitoring it. However, we feel that this provocation or this attacks to the farmers is completely against the universal law of right to farm on their respective farmland by the farmers, and this terrorist act carried out by those militant or armed cookie terrorist groups cannot be left unpunished. Therefore, we will fix this to the state government, and the responsibility has to be fixed to the security persons deployed along the these farm areas. And we have been saying that this kind of attacks is likely to happen again and again, because the kind of security arrangement that they have been manning in the vulnerable farmland areas are not effective, and there is always chances of breach in this security arrangement and target the farmers again and again. Therefore, we are going to pursue the government to with certain significant suggestions so that no further such kind of attacks should be carried out again.